Layer 7, the application layer. The application layer of the OSI model is the layer that we'll be most familiar with. This familiarity is because the application layer is the layer in which protocols and rules are in place to determine how the user should interact with the data sent or received. Every application, such as the email clients, browsers, or file server browsing software such as FileZilla, provide a friendly graphical user interface for users to interact with data sent or received. Other protocols include domain name systems, DNS, which is how websites addresses are translated into IP addresses. And I presume here you have the definition. Domain name system is the protocol responsible for resolving host names such as TryHackMe.com to their respective IP addresses. Here we just see the FTP protocol used. All right. Questions. What is the name of this layer? The application layer. What is the technical term that is given to the name of the software that users interact with? Graphical user interface.